Will Mraz. I work for McElhanney Engineering. I am a GIS civil technologist. The first time I actually started hearing about a product that was out there was probably about 2002 that actually does horizontal corrections for curving. How does a truck react to your road? Didn't know what it was, went on the web, found it.
That was AutoTURN?
AutoTURN,
Okay.
100%. Right, well, it was a corrective measure at first. Now it's a preventative measure. Right, I'm going to prevent a lot of errors and save cost overrun on the construction end by having this product run through my design and make sure that I didn't make any mistakes. Well, McElhanney is actually the first company that I've worked with that actually does what's called a criteria design sheet. So we actually give to the clients a picture in the profile and all the parameters of that truck actually in our design sheets. So we use that as well as all its radiuses and all the rest of it. So some of the output of what AutoTURN does helps us explain to our client what's going on. And I've actually had clients come back and say, oh, no, wrong truck, because ours doesn't do that. Or you picked the D version, not the F version. We're like, oh. So some of this stuff has really helped with client relationship, because now they can see what we're trying to do and how we're doing it, and they're reacting to it quite quickly and saying, no, or yes, bang on. To be honest, I was thinking about this before I came, and there was one site, leaving clientele out of it, coming down a very steep grade, hairpin at the bottom, right where we want to put a bridge. There was no way to get this road to not have the curve on the bridge. It was almost impossible. I took AutoTURN, I threw it through just to see what the width would have to be of the bridge to make that work. As it turned out, the person that was standing over my shoulder said, well, why don't we just double up the width of the bridge and just put a curve over top of it? Well, just by me playing with it, came up with the solution to the problem.
Yeah.
We double laned the bridge and put a curve at the bottom. So a site that potentially, let's say 20 years ago, we would have said, oh no, we're not going there. We just can't get in, we can't get a truck in there. We now got this whole valley we just opened up for logging. I've seen what happens when tabular data is the only thing used. Right? It's a 50-50 hit or miss. With the program, it bounces my level of confidence in what I've got up to a good 90%. I'm pretty darn sure. Bringing up my confidence level in what I do is huge, right? And not only that, but I can present it to the client who's about to contract the contractors out to build these things, give them the confidence that we got the right thought. Vertical adds that next level of information that we've always had to speculate on. So we've had tabular data for horizontal, tabular data for vertical. Now both could be checked. Where before, say 5 years ago, I was checking my horizontal, and my vertical, I was still looking at my tabular going, okay, let's see what happens. And the truck drivers tell me, doesn't work. My trailers are dragging, or the tail ends are dragging, or whatever's happening. And we have to go out and maintenance that issue after construction instead of catching it before that point. So now AutoTURN's evolved to the point where now I can check everything prior to me actually putting anything to the ground and fixing it.